Yes, we have seen the two phases of our development. Praful ji had shown us the path of our ancient Hinduism and the link between the Hinduism and the West. Jitendra ji has given us the scenario of MSME sector. Since I belong to the education sector and the sector where we develop the young minds. And the young minds, that is the age of 18 to 25. And today, the level of the challenges, conflicts, and the dilemma which new generation and the young minds are facing today, we are the victims of. And since this is the era of our development, our progress, and moving to the 19 to 2047 in the development sector. So the challenge before us, how to nourish the young minds. And since Jitendra has already briefed, today we are all struggling for finding the jobs for our young people coming out from the university system, from the professional universities, from the professional education. And that constitutes to almost the 40 to 45% of our population. That's very challenging. And in this era, we are also in the process of implementing the new education policy, which we all call it NAP 2020. And the first time in our country, we have witnessed an integrated education system right from the primary education to the university education. And it's a very well linked, integrated in a developmental manner. And it is the 6th year after implementing the new education policy. Still we are struggling in the universities to make it reality and to make it the way it was conceptualized in the education policy. And the beautiful way of the new education policy is what Prafulji has narrated, that providing the multidisciplinary approaches in all areas. Engineering students would be studying the management, also studying the economics. Vice versa, the management and economics students, they will be also studying the radiography, health sciences, engineering, and other subjects. That integration that proficiency and that exhaustibility at this point of time is the most challenging for all of us in the university system. And the other contrast we are observing that in the industry, the professionals are working right from 18 years to 76 years. The old system of retirement is nowhere exists today in our corporate world, in our industrial scenario. So the balance and the teamwork and the adjustment between the new generation, which is 18 year, and the other generation, 76 year, is the most challenging, most conflicting, and the most vigilant in today's context. So it's time for all of us to work in a system, and that's the responsibility we are taking in the university setup to upliftment our young generation. But the other aspects I wanted to bring it to here, since most of the academic world is sitting here, the social issues, the other related issues we are facing today in the university campuses. And that's all because of the strong influence of the Western culture. How to address that? And we as a parents, we as a teacher, we as a officials in the university are all facing that challenge. If we can address in a collective way to meet those challenges, our 50% work is done. And I'm referring to those situations you are all aware of. Where we are taking to our young generation? Is it this development? More than 50% today young generation in the university, they are all being given or provided those bad addicts in the system. And those are all available in the society freely. How to address that? How to make it? That's the most challenging the question we are facing today in the university setup. And how to take forward those young generation in the right way, in the right path, in the right frame of work to develop their career, either being as an entrepreneur or being as a professional in the society. So that's the question I wanted to put forward to all of you, and also to our young generation, that how to take them into mainstream, how to put forward their entire energy into the positive development rather than spending towards the other form of their development. So that's the question I was addressing and I was putting before all of you, and that's the answer of the issues which Prafullaji and Jitenji have raised, and that's the answer today. If we can take care of our young generation in a way, the new education policy has given us the path and the direction, providing the right frame of education. Either it is the engineering, or it is the management, or it is the arts, or it is the science. everywhere that integration of the knowledge has been given in a very, very appropriate manner. And at the end, I just wanted to put it to all of you that the new education policy, how soon we will be able to implement, and the day it would be implemented in a comprehensive way, most of our challenges, most of our issues which we are facing today, that would be addressed. But that right time in 6 years has not come. If we analyze today that how much of the new education policy we have implemented, it is not more than 30 to 40%. So we are struggling, we are putting our entire effort to implement that, and I am hoping that entire society would work along with us to make it that to happen, and once that happens, then we would move it to the developmental society. That's the message I wanted to convey to all of you, and that's the need of the time today. I would like to thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity to express my viewpoint, and I was particularly learned a lot from Prafulji and Mr. Jitenji. So thank you a lot for listening me. Thank you a lot for inviting me.